Now let's talk about how to convert numbers in hexadecimal system to numbers in octal system. So how can we do that? So let's begin with an example. If I have 7, 8, 9 in base 16, how can I convert this to number in base 8? I believe it knows that numbers in base 16 are known as hexadecimal numbers, while numbers in base 8 are known as octal numbers. Okay, so what we're going to do first is to convert the base 16 number, which is hexadecimal, to binary first. After that, we now convert it back to octal. So let's begin. To convert 7, 8, 9 in base 16 to binary, what we need to do is to split the digits 7, 8, 9. Then below it, you want to write 1, 2, 4, and 8. Below each of the digits, you split it. So 1, 2, 4, and 8. 1, 2, 4, and 8. So right now, we want to select the digits amongst the one we have below that we add up to the one we have above. So what are we saying in essence? Out of 8, 4, and 2, which of them add up to 7, to 8, and to 9? So if that occur or take place, then you have to do something. So it turns out that for 7, 4 plus 2 plus 1 will definitely result in 7. So you have to turn them to 1, 1, 1. And the one that is not included, which is 8, turn it to 0. What about 8? Only 8 can result in 8. If we add up any other digits left over, either 4, 2, or 1, the result will alter. It will be more than 8. So therefore, only 8 will be given 1, others will be 0. What about 9? 8 plus 1 will result in 9. So I'm to assign 1, 1 to 8 below 1 as well. But below 4 and 2, it's going to be 0. So the next thing to have my final answer is just to combine this, this, and this. And that will be the conversion of 7, 8, 9 in base 16 to base 2. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Keep in mind, 0 doesn't start binary numbers. So final answer should be 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So having gotten this, we can now proceed on converting this one right here to octal. And to do that, here's what we are now going to do. So I think I need enough space. Okay. So right now, what we are going to do is just to split this digit in base 2. You want to form a bit such that within the bit, you are going to have 3 digits of the binary digits within it. So what do I say next sense? Starting from the right hand side, I'm going to form a group of 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Unfortunately, this is not 3. Then you add 0 to it. If you haven't checked my video on how to convert binary number to octal number, you can check out the video in the description of this video, or you should click on the link that just pop out right now. So that's it, 110. So right now I can split them as well. So I have 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, 1, 1, 0, my bad. 1, 1, 0, then 0, 0, 1, then 0, 0, 1. So below them, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. So right now, what you're going to do in this case is that you are going to add the digit that is below, such that above it you have 1. Add the digit that is below, so that above it you have 1. That's it, that these 2 and 1 are below, and above them I have 1, 1. So I'm adding them up. That's 3. Ignore the one that is having 0 above it. Now, what about this part? It turns out that 4 and 2 are the one that's having 1, 1 above them. So I'm considering adding them up and have 6. What about this? That's just 1. And for this, that's just 1. So combining them, I have 3, 6, 1, 1 in base 8. This is my final answer. So 7, 8, 9 in base 16 Converting into base 8 is 3611. And that is how it works. Let's consider one more example for easy understanding. So, how can we convert 4D8B in base 16 to number base in base 8 in octal number? So, just like before, let's convert the number in base 16 to number base in base 2. However, we are having letters. If you don't know what they mean, I'm going to show you anyway. However, you can consider checking out my video on converting binary to hexadecimal, or even my introduction to number base. I explain how those numbers or letters went through this. So D corresponds to 13 and B corresponds to 11. So it means I'm having 4, 13, 8, 11, 4, 13, 8, 11 in the system. So I'm willing to convert that to base 8. So just like before, I will split them 4. So I have 4, 13, 8, and 11. So right now, below them, I have 1, 2, 4, and 8. I have 1, 2, 4, and 8. 1, 2, 4, and 8. 1, 2, 4, and 8. So out of this one we have below, which of them add up to the one we have above? If you can find anyone, turn it to 1. The rest that are not included, turn it to 0. For 4, only 4 can result in 4. So this is 0, 1, 0, 0. For 13, it turns out that 8 plus 2, no, yes, 8 plus 4 plus 1. 8 plus 4 plus 1 will result in 13. 8 plus 4 is 12, and 12 plus 1 is 13. So 1, 1, 1, 0. For 8, only 8. That's 1, 0, 0, 0. And for 11, that's 8 plus 2 plus 1. So that should be 1, 0, 1, 1. So combining them, so I will just ignore the 0 right from here because I won't start with the 0 since I'm still later going to ignore it. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, then 1, 0, 1, 1 in base 2. And this is the final answer in base 2. So right now, let's convert it back to base 8. So to have our final answer in base 8, what we are going to do is to group this binary number. So we are grouping it in a group of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. So right now, I will need to split all those bits. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So below them, I'm going to write 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. So out of the digits I have below, whichever have 1 above, I'm going to add them together, and that will be the final answer. So it turns out that only 4 have 1 above here, so that's 4. What about here? 4 and 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. For this, 4 and 2 as well, 4 plus 2 is 6. For this, only 1, so I have 1. And for this, 2 and 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So that should be 4, 6, 6, 1, 3 in visit. And this is our final answer. This is quite straightforward, okay? By now, you should have been getting adapted to it. You should have been getting familiar with how it works. Let's consider one more example for easy understanding. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do what to subscribe to my channel in order to allow me to help me reach more audience. Also, if you are finding this content interesting and helpful, consider giving the video a thumbs up and share it, recommend it with your classmates and whoever you think might be in need of it as well. So for the last example, pause the video and check it out yourself. How can we convert 56CA in base 16 to number base in base 8? So C correspond to 12 and A correspond to 10. So I'm just going to replace that. 5, 6, 12, 10 in base 16 to 8 base 8. So I'm going to split that. 5, 6, 12, 10. So below them, 1, 2, 8, so 4, 8 rather. 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. When you are converting from 16 to binary, that's when it should be 1, 2, 4, 8. But when it is about octa, it will just be 1, 2, 4. You understand? It just 1, 2, 4. So be very careful. So which of them add up to 5? That's 4 and 1. So I'm turning them to 1, 1. 1, 1. Or that's a 0, 0. What about 6? That's 4 and 2. 4 and 2 add up to 6. So I'm turning them to 1, 1. Or that's 0, 0. What about 12? That's 8 and 4. 8 and 4 add up to 12. 1, 1, 0, 0. What about 10? That's 8 and 2. So 8 and 2 add up to 10. 1, 1, 0, 0. So we just combine everything. So I will ignore this 0 without writing it, since our answer can never be including 0 or starting from 0 rather. So this is our final answer in this 2. So right now, let's convert to octal. So we are going to group it in threes. We are going to group it in threes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm having 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So below them, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. So for the first one, select or just add digits that has 1 above them. Then you ignore digits that has 0 above it. So 4 and 1 has 1 above them. So that's 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 and 1 has 1 above them. That's 3. 2 and 1 again. That's 3. Only 1. That's 1. Only 2. That's 2. So I'm going to combine them. This is my final answer. And that's how to easily and mentally convert number from base 16 to number base in base 8. So that's just it for this video. If you find this helpful, do what, subscribe to my channel like I said earlier. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Here is the practice problem I have for you. Convert F73D in base 16 to number base in base 8. Comment your solution in the comment section below if you want me to review it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.